Ever wondered how to make the perfect moules marinières? This classic dish from Belgium and France is a delectable feast of fresh mussels steeped in a flavorful broth. Today, we're going to unravel the secret to creating this culinary delight. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh mussels. Make sure they're fresh and alive. You can tell by giving any open ones a quick tap. If they close, they're good to go. You'll also need a cup of dry white wine, 2 finely chopped shallots, 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of chopped fresh parsley, and 2 ounces of butter. Start by cleaning your mussels under cold running water. Scrub them well to remove any grit or barnacles, and remove the beard. That's the little tuft of hair-like fibers that sticks out from the shell. Discard any mussels that stay open when tapped. Now heat your butter in a large pan over medium heat. Once it's melted, add your chopped shallots and garlic. Sauté them until they're soft and fragrant, but be careful not to brown them. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now comes the fun part. Pour in your white wine, then add the mussels. Cover the pan and let them steam for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the mussels have opened. Remember, any mussels that don't open should be discarded. They're not safe to eat. Finally, sprinkle over your fresh parsley. Give everything a good stir to mix the parsley through the mussels and the broth. And there you have it, the perfect moules marinières. Fresh mussels infused with the flavors of white wine, shallots, garlic, and parsley, all melded together in a mouth-watering broth. Don't forget to serve it with some crusty bread on the side to soak up those delicious juices. To summarize, the key steps to remember are: 1. Ensure your mussels are fresh and alive. 1. Clean them well and remove the beard. 1. Sauté your shallots and garlic in butter, then add your wine and mussels. 1. Steam the mussels until they open, then discard any that remain closed. 1. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a good stir. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to creating a delectable moules marinières of your own. Enjoy the process and, most importantly, enjoy the feast.